I'm Becky. I'm a mom of four, and I am always looking for a good mid-size fashion dress. And I think this is a great one. I love this cut here. It provides a little bit of elongating on my torso. It gives me a little bit of shape here. It has pockets, which is a huge success. It's not super short. It's a little bit longer in the back, which I appreciate. I love this square neck. I love that as a mom, I can breastfeed if I need to. I can wear this with boots and a hat. I could wear it with a denim jacket and some sneakers. It is easy to dress up or to wear more casual, and I just feel like because it's more of like a cotton stretch dress, it's breathable and it's something I can live in. And as a mom, I need to be able to move, and I appreciate that. The sleeves are a little bit longer, which as a mid-sized mom, I'm appreciative for a little bit more coverage on my arms, and I just think that it comes in a lot of different colors and it's comfortable. So it's a dress I can live in, and I'm a big fan.